morning to one and all. This is Karthik from Mechanical Second Year. Today's my topic is phase transformation triple point at a critical state properties during change of phase in thermodynamics. First of all, introduction to the phase transformation. First of all, what is phase transformation? Phase transformation refer to the process of where a substance changes from one phase to another phase. In the, for example, solid or liquid or gas. This transformation can be triggered by changes in temperature, pressure, and combustion. During these changes in vital for applications in metal science, chemistry, and engineering in daily life. Phase transformation of matter. Matter exists primarily in three classical of phases like solid, liquid, and gases. Each phase has distinct properties, including molecular arrangement and energy levels. This transformation between these phases involves energy changes such as temperature, absorption, or release. Understanding the phase diagram. Phase diagram graphically represent the stability of phases at varying temperature and pressures. They help visualize the conditions under different phases coexisting or transfer. Key features of phase transfer diagrams, including regions, lines, and points representing different phases and transitions. The critical point explained. Critical point is a scientific condition where the three phases coexisting in a thermodynamic equilibrium. It is a unique for each substance and it is fixed on the phase diagram. Understanding the phase triple point is a crucial for defining temperature and pressure standards in science. The critical point. The critical point marks the end of the liquid gas phase boundary in a phase diagram. At this point, these properties of liquid and gas phases become insubstantial. Above the critical point temperature and pressure, the substance is in supercritical stage with unique properties. For example, observe in the uh, above diagram solid phase to liquid phase. Triple point at the A substitution deposits. These are overall called critical point. Phase transformation mechanism. Phase transformation mechanism can occur via diffusion, nuclearization, or continuous process. Nuclearization involves the internal transformation of new phase, while growthing refers to the expansion of this phase. The rate and nature of these transformations depend on the temperature, pressure, and the material characteristics. Factors including phases changes. Temperature and pressure are the primary factors that influence phase changes in substances. The addition of solutes or impurities can define phase change behavior and solubility. Kinetics plays a role in determining the speed and mechanism of the phase transformation. Observe the above picture the effect of temperatization changes of matter. First, the phase solid to converts into melting point. After melting point condensation, the liquid of the material after condensation and melting goes gas to the goes gas and evaporation. These called factors influencing in phase changes. Importance of phase transmissions in industry. These phase transformations are usually in industrial side. The phase transformations are crucial in material process such as metallurgy and polymer science. They affect the properties of materials including strength, ductility, and thermal conductivity. Understanding these transformations can lead to the development of new materials with the Taylor properties. The change phases. The change phases means a material changes from one phase to another phase. For example, a gas to liquid, liquid to gas. These are called phase changes. Applications of phase diagrams. These phase diagrams are used in various fields, including chemistry, geographical, and engineering. They assist in predicting how the metal behavior under certain kinds of temperatures and environmental conditions. Also, industries utilize the phase diagrams to optimize the process like crystallization, decrystallization, and alloy formation. Conclusion and further directions. The study of phase transformations and critical points continue to involve with achievements in technology. In further future generations, research may be focused on multi-component system and their complex phase behavior. Understanding the phenomena better can lead to the innovations in material designing applications in the view of phase transformations. Thank you.